अझै पनि आयुष कलान कट ब्याक गर्दै यहाँ डेन्जर हुन सक्छ नवयुग श्रेष्ठ समीर तामाङ and the Thunders are back with a flag and the speedster Sameer Tamang with the equalizer and what a time to score 4 minutes before the break. The Frenchman is furious as you can see. र प्लेयर्सहरु आन्सर हुँदै पोखरा थन्डर्स को लागि समीर तामाङ in the score sheet.
Beautiful goal. Ayush Kalan, left-footed cross. Navayug को प्रयास पनि उत्कृष्ट थियो. Well saved there by the goalkeeper Jeffrey Baltus, but he had no answer at all for that beautiful strike from Sameer Tamang, the young rising Nepal international. I was telling you, the combination of the right flank and the left flank was needed for Pokhara Thunders if they ever want to come back in this game. Left hand flank for the cross bio, Ayush Kalan ko bane right hand flank ka Sameer Tamang le powerful shot गर्दै खेल 1-1 को बराबरीमा ल्याउन सफल. पोखरा थन्डर्स 1, ललितपुर सिटी FC 1.
Super substitution by